Will you please throw light on what NBT has done as far as Konkani language is concerned?
This is as you said that I am the first director. I didn't know that, but this is the first initiative that we have taken post-COVID, that we go to the ground, and almost 50 books have been prepared in last few months and last COVID era, which are due to be released. And today, this 3 days workshop where we have invited, with your collaboration and support, all the experts of children literature, writers, translators, and the expert opinions, so that we come up with a content, and that content primarily is developed into Konkani language, and then we will take this content into other Indian languages. We will also try to bring up these books through live workshops, which is a very difficult process but very fruitful process. So this live conference which is going on, wherein our all team are sitting under one roof and working out on content, and they will come up with beautiful books, and this process will continue for the year. And this exercise, we want to make it an annual feature, so that continuously we have good content. We are also going to have a discussion on the topics or the content which need to be recorded and documented, and those projects will be commissioning in the coming days after the workshop, and we will commission more authors and writers, and we will invite more and more applications. Through this voice which you have provided me, I would request, if there are authors, writers who are listening to me, they can write to us with their manuscript. We will evaluate it. If we find those parameters being met, we would love to publish your script as NBT as its publisher.